वासुदेवाय 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 शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाकारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ज्ञानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्।
My Lord, you are the God of gods, the knower of four Vedas. I have noticed that you meditate upon someone with great reverence. I am curious, why do you, the mighty Shiva, offer your prayers to someone else? Who is he who has tied your heart and soul that you don't even think of me? Who do you meditate upon? And why is he so significant?
Shri Ram Sati. I always meditate upon him.
Sri Ram? Who is he? Why is he so dear to you? Even more than me?
Who is he? How do I tell you who is my Ram? He is timeless, endless. He is the one upon whom every yogi, muni meditates upon. All the Vedas, Puranas sings glories of my dear Lord Ram. I meditate upon that one and only omnipresent Lord of Maya, Lord of all universes, my own Sri Ram. Sati, he is none other than Lord Vishnu, taken the human form to reduce the pain that exists in this world and will continue to take human forms for salvation. Lord Ram never forgot his divinity.
How is that possible, my lord? How could he remember his divinity while living as a human?
Lord Ram's consciousness remained firmly rooted in the divine realm. Even as he walked the earth as a mortal, his awareness of his true nature as an incarnation of Lord Vishnu never wavered, guiding his actions and decisions throughout his life.
It's astonishing to think that someone could maintain such awareness amidst the trials and tribulations of human existence.
Indeed, Parvati,
My lord, I feel a deep longing within me, a yearning to meet Lord Ram. I want to experience the radiance of his divine presence. Someone who has made my lord fall for him, how will he himself be? I wish to see him, to hear his words, and feel his divine presence with my own senses. Can you make it possible for me, my lord?
a dutiful husband always fulfills his wife's wishes, whether it's a human or the Lord Himself. His presence can be felt in the depths of your heart. Meditate upon Him with all your heart and soul and experience His divine grace. Close your eyes.
श्री महागणाधिपतये नमः। ॐ श्री उमामहेश्वराभ्यां नमः। वाल्मीकि गुरुदेव के पद पंकज सिरना सुमिरे सरस्वती हम पर हो सहाय। मात पिता की वंदना करते बारंबार, गुरुजन राजा प्रजाजन नमन करो स्वीकार। हम कथा सुनाते राम सकल गुण धाम की। हम कथा सुनाते राम सकल गुण धाम की। ये रामायण है पुण्य कथा श्री राम की। ये रामायण है पुण्य कथा श्री राम की। जम्बूद्वीपे भरतखण्डे आर्यावर्ते भारतवर्ष एक नगरी है विख्यात अयोध्या नाम की। यही जन्म भूमि है परम पूज्य श्री राम की। हम कथा सुनाते राम सकल गुण धाम की। ये रामायण है पुण्य कथा श्री राम की। ये रामायण है पुण्य कथा श्री राम की।
Guru Vashisht, my heart weighs heavy with concern. Despite all my efforts and prayers, the halls of Ayodhya remain devoid of the laughter of a son. Each day that passes without an heir to my throne only deepens my worry. I seek your counsel on how I may be blessed with a son.
O Dashrath, your desire is noble and your concern is understandable. The continuity of your lineage is indeed a matter of great importance. Have faith in the divine plan. The path to parenthood is not solely paved by earthly action but also by divine will.
But Guru Vashisht, how can I not worry? The prosperity and stability of Ayodhya depend on the presence of a worthy heir. Without a son to succeed me, what fate awaits our kingdom?
Patience, my king. Trust in the benevolence of gods and continue your virtuous deeds. There is a way, but it is very difficult.
Please tell me, even if it is impossible, I will make it possible.
In order to fulfill your desire for a son, it may be beneficial to encourage Rishi Shringi to consider marriage and perform Putra Kameshti Yajna for you, seeking the blessings of gods for your son.
रघुकुल के राजा धर्मात्मा चक्रवर्ती दशरथ पुण्यात्मा। संतति हेतु यज्ञ करवाया धर्म यज्ञ का शुभ फल पाया। नृप घर जन्मे 4 कुमारा रघुकुल दीप जगत आधारा। चारों भ्रातों के शुभ नामा भरत शत्रुघ्न लक्ष्मण रामा।
महाराज की जय हो। Queen Kaushalya has given birth to a baby boy.
Maharaj ki jai ho. Queen Kaikeyi has also given birth to a baby boy.
महाराज की अनेकों बार जय हो। Queen Sumitra has given birth to two baby boys.
Hey Prabhu, thank you so much for blessing me with the 4 Kumars. Ayodhya will forever be indebted to you.
Dashrath, celebrate this with the entire kingdom. Let's arrange for a grand celebration to welcome the Kumars. We will invite all Ayodhya-vasis for our beloved Ram's Jhulan ceremony.
तुलसी ने झूम के गाई, कोई मस्त मगन चौपाई, पागल है खुशी से नैना घर आए मेरे रघुराई। हो रामचंद्र जहाँ ठुमक चले, हर्षित है वो अंगनाई, क्या सुनना है क्या कहना घर आए रघुराई। अब आठों पहर तेरे मंदिर में गुजारा है, नगरी है अयोध्या की, सरजू का किनारा है। मेरे राम लला हर दिन तेरा ही नजारा है, नगरी है अयोध्या की, सरजू का किनारा है। मेरे राम लला हर दिन तेरा ही नजारा है। सूखी नदी में जैसे मछली बहे, नाथ बिन तेरे हम ऐसे जीते रहे। हो आज बावरा तो होना बनता है प्रभु, बन गए हैं फूल सारे दर्द जो सहे। तेरी खड़ाओ शीश पे लेके जोगी बने नाचे हम, तू जो कहे। तू जितना भरत का था उतना ही हमारा है, नगरी है अयोध्या की, सरजू का किनारा है। मेरे राम लला हर दिन तेरा ही नजारा है, नगरी है अयोध्या की, सरजू का किनारा है। मेरे राम लला हर दिन तेरा ही नजारा है। कन कन आज हुआ कौशल्या, दशरथ हुए हैं बनघट पोखर, वो दिन आया जिसका रास्ता नैनों ने देखा रो रो कर। सारे कोने सारे पूछे पर दो दीपों से दिन पूछे, अपने राम लला जाए जाने कौन गली से होकर। चल प्राण उसे दे दे, प्राणों से जो प्यारा है, नगरी है अयोध्या की, सरजू का किनारा है। मेरे राम लला हर दिन तेरा ही नजारा है, नगरी है
My Kumars are still very young and delicate. Do they really have to go to Gurukul for Siksha? Can their education not be arranged in the palace itself? I wonder how they will live in those conditions.
I understand, Dashrath. As a parent, your concern is valid, and every parent feels the same. But you have to let them learn all the skills so that they can be perfect king in the future.
गुरु वशिष्ठ के गुरुकुल जाके अल्पकाल विद्या सब पाके पूर्ण हुई शिक्षा रघुवर पूर्ण काम की। हम कथा सुनाते राम सकल गुण धाम की। हम कथा सुनाते राम सकल गुण धाम की। ये रामायण है पुण्य कथा श्री राम की। ये रामायण है पुण्य कथा श्री राम की। ये रामायण है पुण्य कथा श्री राम की।
स्वयंवर आराम किया जाए। Is there not even a single Kshatriya left on this earth who can lift this Shiv Dhanush and marry my beautiful daughter Sita?
Forgive me, Maharaj Janak ji, but please don't insult us like that. With the blessing of our Gurudev, my Bhaiya Shri Ram can lift this Dhanush with ease.
Calm down, Lakshman, calm down. Take your seat.
Go Ram and string this great bow of Lord Shiva.
Go Sita, put Varmala on Ram. Welcome this divine and unique moment. Go dear.
Hey Ma Gauri, please give me your blessings.
चकोरी सिया जमाई राजा राम मिला, मिथिला का कण कण खिला जमाई राजा राम मिला। कनक अटा लेके पलकों में तुमको छिपा जो माई राजा राम मिला, मिथिला का कण कण खिला जो माई राजा राम मिला।
Mahadev, thank you for guiding me to have Lord Ram's darshan.
Did you get his divine darshan?
Yes, Mahadev. Now I want to see all of them together. What do I do?
Turn yourself there.